Accident reconstruction analysis is a multifaceted industry. One facet CID is heavily involved in is rapid response and pre-litigation documentation with both commercial and standard vehicles. We provide a 24-hour call service that offers immediate attention to clients with recent collisions to investigate. Early and accurate collection of evidence is critical for assessment of liability, damages, and potential exposure. This includes documentation beyond what most first responders collect during investigations. Rapid response work is especially critical to our heavy vehicle clients. Their vehicles often retain event data associated with hard brakes and last stops. The engine control module, or ECM data, can be analyzed to establish a timeline, giving us up to 105 seconds of speed data and associated driver inputs prior to an event. This data is incredibly time sensitive and can be easily overwritten if not retained quickly.